Today we will discuss about carbohydrates and its metabolism. Carbohydrates are defined as aldehyde or keto derivatives of polyhydric alcohols. All carbohydrates have the general formula CnH2nON. For example, for glucose N is equals to 6, hence formula is C6H12O6. Now we will discuss classification of carbohydrates. Now classified are grouped into monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest sugar which cannot be further broken down into smaller carbohydrates. They are glucose, ribose, erythrose and fructose. Disaccharides are formed by the condensation of two molecules which may be similar or dissimilar. For example, sucrose and lactose. Now, oligosaccharides are formed by the condensation of small number of monosaccharide molecules, for example, maltotriose. And polysaccharides are formed by the condensation of large number of monosaccharide molecules, for example, starch, cellulose, dextrin, and insulin. Now, we will discuss about digestion of some important dietary carbohydrates. For example, starch in the presence of enzyme salivary amylase is converted into maltose and dextrin, and maltose in the presence of enzyme maltase is converted into two glucose molecules, and lactose in the presence of enzyme lactase is breakdown into glucose and galactose, and sucrose in the presence of enzyme sucrase is converted into glucose and fructose. Now we will discuss briefly about metabolism of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are metabolized by the following pathways. Number 1, glycolysis, then glycogenesis, glycogenolysis, gluconeogenesis, citric acid cycle and HMP shunt. We will discuss it by one. Now first of all, what is glycolysis? The process of breakdown of glucose molecule into two molecules of pyruvate. For example, one glucose molecule is converted into two pyruvate plus two ATP molecules and two NADPH molecules. Next is glycogenesis, the process of conversion of glucose into glycogen in liver, in which n number of glucose molecules are converted into a glycogen molecule. Next is glycogenolysis, the process of conversion of glycogen into glucose. Glycogen is breakdown into n number of glucose molecule. This process occurs in the liver. Gluconeogenesis, the process of synthesis of glucose from the material other than carbohydrates, that is non-carbohydrate. For example, amino acids, lactate, glycerol and propionate. They are converted into glucose molecule. This process occurs in liver and kidney. Now, citric acid cycle, it involves the oxidation of acetyl coenzyme into carbon dioxide and water. It is also known as Krebs cycle or TCA cycle. This process occurs in the mitochondria. Now, last is HMP shunt. This is an alternate pathway to glycolysis and TCA cycle for the oxidation of glucose. It also known as pentophosphate pathway or phosphogluconate pathway. This process occurs in the cytoplasm. Thank you.